அவங்க வந்து நமக்கு வரப்போகிற ஈவெண்ட்டை பற்றி நமக்கு வந்து சொல்ல போகிறாங்க. ஸோ வாங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த ஈவெண்ட் வந்து எப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, எவ்வளோ டேஸ் இது வந்து நடக்கும்?
ஸோ இந்த ஈவெண்ட் ஆக்சுவல் ஈவெண்ட் வந்து ஜூன் 16th which is on Sunday. ஸோ மார்னிங் 8:30 நாங்கள் இங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோம். விச் இஸ் அ பிகர் ஈவெண்ட். லைக் இந்த ஈவெண்ட் வந்துட்டு யூரோப்லேயே பிக்கஸ்ட் பல்லக் யாத்திரை, சாய்பாபா பிகஸ்ட் சாய்பாபா. ஸோ இந்த யாத்திரையில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பால்குடம், பாபாவோட சாய் சச்சரி, ஈஸ்டர்ன் டெம்பிளில் இருந்து நாங்கள் ஃபாரஸ்ட் கேட் டெம்பிள் வரைக்கும் புனித யாத்திரை. அப்புறம் இந்த ஈவெண்ட் வந்துட்டு ஒரு 9 நாள் முன்னாடியே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோம். த்ரூ அவுட் ஆல் 9 days லைக் இட் வில் பி கிராண்ட் ஈவெண்ட். அண்ட் ஜூன் 15th அன்றைக்கும் நாங்கள் வந்துட்டு கல்ச்சுரல் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறோம் நியர்பை பார்க்கில். ஸோ ஐ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் ஆல் யுவர் வியூவர்ஸ் டு கம் அண்ட் பார்ட்டிசிபேட்.
ஸோ அவங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி கண்டிப்பாக இன்கேஸ் நீங்கள் ஈஸ்டர்ன் அண்ட் அதை சுற்றி இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டை நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக வந்து மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 4 to 5 days கண்டினியூஸ் ஈவெண்ட்டாக நடக்க போகுது. ஸோ மற்றவங்ககிட்ட நம்ம வந்து கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ வாட் யூ லைக் டு சே அபவுட் திஸ் ஈவெண்ட்? எனிதிங் யூ வாண்ட் டு சே or share with us?
As he already mentioned, this is the biggest event.
Okay.
Sai Baba biggest event. We do serve many variety of food. We do spread message of Baba like serve and do seva of each one. Whoever you feel like they are needy, just do annadanam, do your seva and enjoy the cultural event. And please kindly join us for this biggest festival for Sai Palki Yatra.
And she is the one who is leading the cultural event.
Yes.
So
And please do visit us on 15th for
June 15th.
cultural activities. Thank you so much.
Do you want to share something with us?
Of course, yes. Few people would not be staying in Eastham and Forest Gate, and some people might be staying out of London as well, right? They can view the event on the online. We have the Tamil codes, and you can register for the event, and you can view the event from wherever you are across the globe. This is being shared. Please do visit if possible. If not, look at our live and enjoy the event.
People here who just share their personal about the upcoming largest event. So we'll just get to know what it's about and everything. Please share a few words.
From Sarah, I'm very happy to explain about the event which is happening. Since 2019 we have started this Sai Palki Yatra celebration, and after that 2-3 years went in COVID. Again we started, and we are getting a very good response for this. This is the biggest event for Sai Baba in Europe. This event is of 9 days. 9 days is a festival, and all 9 days, if you see, you can see the decoration and all. It is we have 2 temples. In both the temples you will find the same decoration. That is the beginning, and then once we start the event, that is 9 days event. 9 days, very very special Baba Puja, special Abhishekam. Then Baba, all deities, they will have special vastram. They will have the special garland, and you can see for tomorrow the garland making team, they are making garland, that is fresh garland for tomorrow. So this is all it will go on. All 9 days it will be very very special. We always remain with number 9. So 9 devotees will carry 9 pots, and then 1 devotee will carry Sai Satcharitra, 1 devotee will carry Baba photo. Like this it will happen. And then after doing Baba Puja here, the devotee, those who puja, they will carry all those pots on head sometime, and all the way walking they will reach to Forest Gate temple. After some puja there, then we will be doing Abhishekam, the plan, maybe cultural event, maybe some dancing, singing bhajans and all those, give it Mahaprasad, and then there will be Mahaprasad. So this is 1 day schedule. Next day it will be reverse. Baba Puja will start at Forest Gate temple, and then devotee who book the Baba Puja and Abhishekam, they will come all the way walking, and they will do Abhishekam here. Like this all 9 days will happen. And then last day is the biggest day. It is the biggest celebration, and everything will be fantastic. Lots of devotees, they will be coming, because they are planning since last 3-4 months. They have registered this date, 16th June 2024, 9:30 onwards. You ask any devotee, what about Baba Sai Palki Yatra? They will say, oh, it's 16th Sunday, we have to go. Like this devotee, they will speak. So we have reached to the many devotees, and we do it especially on Sundays, so that those who are working, they should be able to attend. That is our aim. And that's the reason we keep it on Sunday itself. So lots of devotees, they are coming with their family members, they are coming with their friends, they are coming with their children, whoever they want. Because Baba temple, no restriction. You come whoever you want, however you want. No restriction for food, no restriction for clothes, no restriction for anything. You just come, participate, enjoy, accept happiness, give happiness. Very simple thing. That is what happened. And then once everything puja started here at 9:30, then we will be carrying Baba in a very, very special palki, which is a fantastic way it is decorated. Baba is sitting in the palki, and then we are carrying Baba in the palki all the way walking. And there will be again some event in the Plashek Park. And then after that event, again we are walking and we are reaching the Forest Gate Temple. There we will be doing Abhishekam. At the same time, there will be the Annadanam on very large scale. So this will happen all 9 days. Each and everyone should get prasad. And we prepare on very large scale. Whoever devotee they are coming on that day, they will get prasad. Our team, our management team, our volunteer team, and those who are working tirelessly day and night, they are working. You won't believe, behind the curtain many things happening. But this is all together. It is all well coordinated. And under the guidance of management, everything is very well planned. And that is the result of last day, Palki Yatra. And definitely, we say it's as per his plan, everything happens. That is what we have trust in his feet. And that is the 2 words given by Baba. One is faith, that is the trust, and second is saburi, that is the patience. You plan and wait. Wait happily. I will make sure everything will go smoothly. That is saburi. That is Baba's special blessing. That's the reason we always say, it's nothing we, it's everything we. So, kind request to everyone, please put your faith in Baba's faith. Give some time to make the things happen, and he will make it happen 100% sure. Thank you very much. Om Sai Ram.
Thank you very much. Do you want to share some
Of course, you must.
few words to add?
Whatever I thought to tell, you already mentioned
Already
everything.
covered.
Yes. So a kind request to everyone to please come and join for the one of the biggest Sai Baba's Palki Yatra in the entire Europe. So every time the number is going up. So like previous years, it was a little bit less, but we expected a lot of big numbers this year. And we are requesting everyone to please come and join for the Shirdi Sai Baba's Palki Yatra from East Ham on 9:30 AM on 16th of June, Sunday. So this is a kind request from World Shirdi Sai Baba Organization UK.
As well, so don't miss this event, and this event is going to be definitely a greatest too, and across London as well. London, not only London, but also the Europe's biggest event it's going to be. Okay, anything else you would like to share?
I would
with
like to
us?
tell about this, Didi.
Yes.
So as I said, like in the temple, எப்போ வந்தாலுமே உங்களுக்கு அன்னதானம் எப்பவுமே இருக்கும்.
Okay.
So இந்த அக்கா தான் வந்துட்டு அன்னதானம் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்றது. She is a volunteer and everyone here are volunteers.
So nice.
Even now.
So in case நீங்க வந்து அன்னதானமா நீங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா எனி டைம் வந்து நீங்க வரலாம்.
Reach out to the people. We're not here to promote anything for the personal, professional growth. It is just for spreading the message of Baba. How much ever you can share this video, that would be a great help for us. Thank you.
Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram.
आमची यात्रा છે 8 જૂન થી 16 જૂન સુધી રાઈટ તમે બધા પધારજો ઓમ સાયરામ.
ஓம் சாய்ராம். ஜூன் 16th மிகப்பெரிய பாபா பல்லக்கு யாத்திரை. கண்டிப்பாக எல்லாரும் வாங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுவோம்.
ओम साईराम नमस्कार. जून 8 टू जून 16 पर्यंत बाबांकर साई पालकी यात्रा अच्छी. पूरा यूरोप सबुठ बड़ यात्रा से समस्त आसबे.
ಓಂ ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್ ಕಾರ 8ನೇ ಜೂನಿಂದ 16 ಜೂನ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಸಾಯಿ ಪಾಲ್ಕಿ ಯಾತ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ನಿಂದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ವರೆಗೂ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. 16th ಅಂದು ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಇವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ఓం సాయిరామ్. జూన్ 16 రోజు మార్నింగ్ 9:30కి పాల్కి యాత్ర ఉంది. అందరూ ఇచ్చేయండి ప్లీజ్. థ్యాంక్స్.
ஹாய் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் கீகி பேசுகிறேன். என்ன தெரிஞ்சவங்களுக்கு என்னை பற்றி கண்டிப்பாக தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். நான் வந்து ஒரு சாய்பாபா டிவோட்டி. ஸோ சாய்பாபானா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக என் ஃப்ரெண்டு வந்து சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க, லண்டனில் இருக்காங்க. அவங்க வந்து சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க இது மாதிரி லண்டன் ஈஸ்ட் ஹாம் சாய்பாபா டெம்பிளில் பல்லக்கு யாத்திரை நடக்குது. என்றைக்கு நடக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஜூன் 16 அன்றைக்கி நடக்குது, 9:30 AM onwards. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக போங்க, உங்கள் ஃபேமிலியோடு போங்க. இது வந்து யாரும் ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி நான் எதுவும் சொல்லலை. Whoever likes to go to temple, whoever likes Sai Baba, go with your family and have a good blessings from Sai Baba. London East Ham Temple, June 16th, 9:30 AM onwards. Thank you.